Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you want to create a X account, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. First thing first, launch your X application, or you can also use a web browser and follow these steps. In my case, I'm moving ahead with my X app. You will see a page like this here. You have to tap on create account. Now you can also continue with Google, but I recommend you tap on create account. Right at this page, type in any name that you would like to have for your X account. Type in the valid email address and make sure that the email address does not exist with any of your other X account. Then type in your date of birth, make sure that your birth of date is legit, then tap on next. You have to check the email address that you have recently added and then copy the code, paste it right here. Once done, tap on next. Now, if for some reasons you have not yet received any code, you can also tap on Didn't Receive Email and request a resend. At this page, you have to create a strong password. Make sure that your password is at least 8 characters or more, and then tap on Sign Up. At this page, you can also upload a profile picture, or you can skip this. So tap on Skip for now. And likewise, this will be your username for X. If you want to change it, go ahead and do so. In my case, I would like to keep this, so tap on skip for now. And then it will ask you if you would like to allow notification for X. I'm just going to leave it this as it is. Skip for now for this as well. Tap continue. Wait for this to load. You have to follow a couple people just so you let people know that your account is genuine. Tap on next. Just like so, after passing many steps, you can see I have created myself a X account. So guys, this is all for today's video and thank you for watching.